Hi Design Besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking you through the design replication part of my portfolio, but that is not the gist of the day. First of all, I want to say a happy Sallah celebration to all my Muslim design besties. So now to the gist of today. We want to talk about designing while waiting for ram meat. So have you tried to design a clean, functional, user-friendly screen while waiting for meat that was promised to you by 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. Oh, have you ever? Have you ever designed a payment flow while mentally calculating how much suya you could have bought if you had just minded your business and not relied on anybody? Because now you are hungry and surrounded by people posting plates online. Or have you ever been designing or pressing your laptop with all seriousness, then you get a text notification, your heart leaps, this is it, oh, finally, oh, for where? Only to open it and see, happy Sallah dear, hope you're enjoying. Here, enjoying what? Abi what? Voila. Have you ever said, let me just focus on work so I don't think about it, but then your own stomach starts remixing a generator soundtrack in your ear? For real besties, how do you behave when you are promised meat and nothing is showing? Do you start checking in politely, pretend you've forgotten but secretly pray for surprise delivery, or just block the person and rebrand your friend circle? So just me, I would love to know.